day to Sephora. Today starts their spring sale, the Beauty Insider sale. So today starts with the 20% off. I'm using my friend's account because I don't got 20% off just yet. I'm at the 15%, the VIB. So I'll be showcasing some of the products that I love, some of my favorites, and then some products that I'm trying out for the first time. So just stay tuned for my shopping experience. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showcasing some of the products that I bought for the Sephora Spring Sale. I don't have everything right now because I ordered a few items online and they only had it online in stock. So I'll probably do that in a later video. I'll just tell you some of the products that I did buy. I did get the Perfector palette that he has Cassie featured on. I also did get the new Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer palette. That's the best invention ever because honestly, like, I like to have as little as possible of different compacts. Like, that's a makeup artist's dream, is to have everything in one palette. So first I had to re-up on my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is a staple in my kit. I also use the one size. This one is the blurring primer, the makeup magnet primer. And honestly, I've been using these for a while in my kit, so I definitely would suggest to get them. The one size is actually a pore refining primer with niacinamide that mattifies and evens out the skin texture, and it grips the makeup. So both of them are gripping primers, but I would definitely suggest to buy this as part of the Sephora sale. Another item that I got, I tried out the Sephora lip gel liners, and these glide on pretty well. I got the shade in Molasses, and it's a pretty dark brown lip pencil. I don't have it on right now, but it is pretty dark. So if you have clients, or if you are darker than I am, or this would definitely work for you. I didn't get to pick up any other shades. I was really just testing it out. I did buy some of the eyeliners in the gel formula, some of the brighter tones, but that's being shipped to me, so just know that I am trying that out as well. I also got the Gwen Stefani original recipe liquid matte lipstick. This one is definitely a pretty packaging. I like to get different reds, and this one is more like a blue red, so I'm excited to try this out on my clients. Anybody that asks for a red, I'll try it out on myself as well. And then I got two brushes. I got the number 19, which is a blending crease brush, and then I got a blush brush and number 96. So those two I bought as well. And then I got the Inky List. I got the Omega Water Cream moisturizer. I haven't tried this. I've tried the brand before, but I haven't tried this moisturizer, so that should be interesting. I'm also trying out another skincare product. This one is Fenty Beauty, or I don't know, Beauty Project. This is the packaging. It's kind of confusing, but this is the packaging. This is a toner that I bought. It's supposed to be all natural ingredients. It has 6 acid blend niacinamide, bilberry for smooth, radiant, and clear skin. It's supposed to even out your skin tone, filter away enlarged pores, rough and dull texture. So this is a new product. Supposedly, the lady at Sephora stated that it's within the brand of Tatcha, so I guess the same makers of Tatcha also produced this brand. This retailed for $22, which isn't that bad for a toner. Plus, you get the 20% off. discount. I also got the Olaplex Hair Perfector. I've heard a lot of good things, or I've seen a lot of people use the Olaplex, so including my hairstylist. So, you know, I'll go ahead and try this out. It's basically, you can use it before shampooing. It's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. So use it once a week for damaged hair. I actually thought I was buying a serum unless I picked up the wrong product, which maybe I overlooked. So I am going to look back online and see, because I honestly thought this was a serum, not something that I put on before I wash my hair. So, but I will be trying something from this brand. So even if I don't keep this, I'm gonna try something else from the Olaplex. And the last item that I bought was the Mcgrath. This one is one of the blurring under eye powders. This one is the yellow. This is a Skin Fetish. And this is a soft focus finish, runway tested, mother approved. And this is a blurring powder as well. One of my friends, you know, she uses this in her kit. So, you know, I went ahead and decided to buy it so that I could try it out. So obviously, if I don't like it, if I don't like any of these products, they are going back to Sephora. So that concludes my video. Oh, another product that I did try was the One Size blurring foundation or skin tint. When I tell you that skin tint is blurring, it really is. Right now I have on the Makeup Forever HD, so if you don't have that foundation, definitely pick that up as well. It is lightweight. It's a natural, like a light to medium coverage. The One Size, I did get a shade too dark, so I am returning that one, and I'm going to get a lighter shade. So I will go ahead and try that out and do a different makeup review or different video on that foundation. But definitely, I think it's a pretty good one, so you might want to try that out as well. The One Size blurring skin tint is his new foundation. I have picked up dark 2, and I really needed dark 1. I could always mix it around to make it a little darker, but it's a little bit too red for me, the dark number 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, you know, buy a few items from the Sephora Spring Sale. If you do, if you decide to purchase any of the items that I picked up, please comment down below. Let me know on Instagram, Shauna the MUA. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.